Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Samudra. Okay, today I say about what is an economic benefit. Definition and examples. An economic benefit is any benefit that we can quantity in terms of the money that is generated. Net income and revenues, for example, are forms of economic benefits. Profit and net cash flow are also economic benefits. Uneconomic benefits may also refer to a reduction in something such as a cost. For example, lower raw material or labor costs are economic benefits. In this context, labor refers to the workforce. InvestorWatch.com has the following definition of the term: a benefit that can be expressed numerically as an amount of money that will be saved or generated as the result of an action. Making a business case for a new strategy or product idea usually involves pointing out the economic benefit of the proposal to decision market. When company directors are looking at a proposal, they carefully consider its economic benefits. If the proposal did not include the benefits in the proposal, the directors are much less likely to approve it. Explaining what the economic benefits are helps them determine whether the proposal should go ahead. However, if a proposal economic benefit is less than the potential harms, the decisions market might turn it down. This is a image economic benefit. From the economic benefit, a benefit that we can quantify in monetary terms: creation of a new job, net income, profits, lower costs. That is left strategy and right strategy. Net cash flow, revenue, GDP growth, wealth creation. Example: economic benefits. Okay, economic benefits are hand. For example, let's suppose that a lawnmower silence represents 25% of its product's cost. Not fitting the silence would save a lot of money, i.e., it will represent a significant economic benefit. However, consumers are willing to buy more from less noise. Removing the silence could, in fact, result in economic harm rather than benefit if sales plummeted. And economic benefit decisions. Many different types of definition markets consider economic benefit. Business person's economic benefits are not the same as that for policy market. A business person uses measures such as rest, cash flow, net income, or profits. Policy markets, and on the other hand, will probability use product and consumer surplus measure. Nah, economic benefits of infrastructure investment. Investing in a country's infrastructure has considerable economic benefits, both in short and long term. Infrastructure refers to all the structure and system which we take for granted, such as roads, bridges, and tunnels. Power generation, airports, telephone lines, and railway lines are also infrastructure terms. In a 2011 report, the example report by the Executive Office of the President, the author explains the evidence of the benefits was evident in many infrastructure projects. The U.S. President in 2011 was Barack Obama. The author mentioned that the upgrading of 4 major bridges reduced congestion costs by $1 billion. Regarding investment in infrastructure, the author wrote, say, the U.S. economy relies heavily on transportation infrastructure, and this investment to improve the condition and performance of our infrastructure allow people and goods to move more expensively and safely around the country. No part of this something because this is a journal from the other people. That is economic benefit. Thanks for your I'm sorry. Okay, listen me. Thanks for your attention. Come on. Thanks for your attention. You are welcome. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.